I uploaded a video a few days ago. You might have had a lot of confusions in that video. Like you guys told in the comments how to convert the triangle into a light source, how to download the smoke brush. I have solved all these problems in this video. Keep watching the video till the end. I bring a new video for you every day, but you people do not subscribe. That motivates me to make more videos. First of all, before creating a poster, you have to think about what kind of poster you actually want to make. Simple, colorful, catchy, you should choose the elements accordingly. I am using a 4 size for poster of a black colored car. Accordingly, I will choose a black color gradient background. After the gradient editor comes up, make its opacity 100 and choose the color according to the poster. After clicking OK, the gradient will come to fill. Here, in your style option, change the liner to redial. A rounded gradient will be ready. Then click on the reverse option. Now, if you feel that the gradient area is smaller than what you want, then you can go to the scale option and adjust it as per your requirement. It's time to bring the product, adjust it according to the poster size. Now we will use light effect in it, so first I will take the rectangle shape and choose white color as the fill color. You can choose any other color also, but for the light effect I am choosing white color. We will copy and paste them one by pressing Alt. We will keep only as much as we want and delete the rest. Now we will convert all the shape layers that we have created into one layer. For that, select all the layers, then right-click and go with Merge Down option. Now we will place the car layer on top. The thing is how to give it a light effect. For this, you can go to the FX option at the bottom of the layer panel, and then click on the blending option, and then click on the outer glow. Here you can adjust according to how much depth of light you want. Now I will show you how you can convert a shape into a light source. For that, we will create a rectangle shape. Now the problem is how to delete the anchor point. For that, we will choose the direct selection tool. Right-click on the point you want to delete. You can notice that only the point on which we have clicked is selected. Rest everything is unselected. So simply press delete on the selected point and click yes, and it will get deleted. Now take it in soft light mode and take it to the bottom. Now you will ask how this light effect happened. For giving light effect, you will have to go to filter option and choose Gaussian blur under blur option. Adjust it, your light effect is ready here. Now let us do some typography also. We will write 911 in this, then take a copy of it. We will use stock effect on the copy layer. For that, again, choose blending option on FX. Make the fill 0. Go to stock option and give stock as per your requirement. We don't need the entire stock, so we will convert the first type layer to a smart layer. Add a layer mask to it and erase a little with the help of the gradient tool. We will do the same with the second layer. Now we will simply add GTR. Now we will use smoke effect in it. For that, we will take a new layer and we'll use the smoke brush. You will ask, from where did you download the smoke brush? I will tell you. Go to Google and search Brush Easy. Click on the first site, type smoke in the search option and search. Then a lot of premium free brushes will appear in front of you. So how will you use it now? First, download it, the plus and go to the folder where it has been downloaded. Right-click and extract it. Now open Photoshop. Click on the brush option. A setting option will be visible on the right side. Go there and click on Insert Brush. All your brushes will be inside the folder you extracted. Click on it and click on the Insert option below. Now go down to the lowest place. You will get a new brush there. If you like it, then give a like. Now, to create its reflection, we will put all the layers in one group and make a copy of it because we need mirror reflection effect. For that, first we will delete all the bright layers. And we will convert this group into a single layer by right-clicking on the margin down. Then we will transform it. Right-click and flip it vertically. We will use a layer mask above this layer, and with the help of Gradient tool, we will create a reflection mirror effect. To achieve perfection, we will reduce the opacity a bit. Our 90% poster is ready. Now let's add some typography to it quickly. If you want the PSD file of this poster, then you will get it in the description below. Download it. If you got a lot of learning from the video, then give it a like. For more such tutorials, subscribe to Perfect Production channel. You will get the next video. Till then, bye.